Domestic and Commercial Garden Maintenance Business, Darwin, NT. This is a golden opportunity for a savvy buyer to take an already thriving business to the next level by employing staff. With over 100 regular customers, the current owners are constantly turning away new clients as they cannot take on any more. Alternatively, NT Garden Maintenance would be a profitable add-on to an existing business in a similar field. Demand for regular servicing and one-off jobs is constant, which means immediate income and great potential for the buyer. Services include garden maintenance and one-off clean-up jobs for domestic and commercial clients and body corporates. With over 80 5-star reviews on local search, NT Garden Maintenance is regularly contacted by schools and government departments. The new owner could easily employ more staff to increase both turnover and the client base. A separate green waste bag service earns extra revenue and could be expanded and run independently if desired. There is a revamped website in place, and the business operates from home with low overheads and tax benefits. Launched in 2017, the owners have grown this business to its current strong position. The next step is up to you.